Hi guys, hope you all are doing fine. Welcome to another session of Love Thy RCs. In this, we are going to handle a passage that talks about something called sea stars, some strange illness that had broken out among those sea stars. It's a data-based passage, and the set of questions is great. So let's go over and take a look and solve it together. The gospel stays the same, like whatever I keep saying in every session. You have to prepare your RC around these points. Now, this is the passage. What does it look like? Like, the assessment first. So, mysterious illness, billions of sea stars, past decade, okay. Strange illness. We can see something about some disease, illness, not for humans, some sea stars. Endangered species, कुछ तो फूल पत्ते जानवर कुछ तो है ऐसा, right? Where this bacterium, okay. Sea stars, okay, identify ran more than okay, identify the disease. So they are discussing some disease. If you don't know what's that, okay, step to determine, all right. ये एक glance है passage का, to understand what it holds for us. Now, as the second step, I'm going to see the questions. Then as the third step, we'll go back and read together. Okay. So ये जो भी assessment दिखाया मैंने, this should take you not more than 10 to 12 seconds. देखना ही तो है खाली ऐसे. And then another 15 seconds for the questions का glance ऐसा. Which of the following actions would be most effective in reducing the frequency and severity of sea star wasting disease outbreaks as suggested by the passage? So most effective, some solution, some recommendation would be in the latter part of the passage. And we understand by reading this question that there is some outbreak that the author has discussed and we want to reduce the frequency and severity. Okay, so conclusion type ka dekhna hoga. Which of the following best explains why the discovery of Vibrio pectinicida's role is considered significant? The discovery of this. So this is specific, correct? Which of the following is most likely a reason researchers were previously unable to identify the cause? कुछ तो होगा, कहीं पे तो portion होगा ना. Earlier they were unable to locate it, discover that and identify something, and then later they were able to do it. So this is again specific. Most likely a reason, okay. In the experiment to identify this, researchers exposed healthy sunflower sea stars. 19 out of this died, 1 exposed. Okay, so kahin diya hai ye. The researchers concluded that this is the primary cause. This is their conclusion. Which of the following would weaken the researchers' conclusion? The conclusion is here itself. It's going to be a very easy one. But you need to take this point, go back to the passage, connect it and read it. थोड़ा सा, उसके बाद फिर आके करेंगे eliminate. So it's a nice set जिसके लिए बहुत ज्यादा आपको घुसने की जरूरत नहीं है सारे डेटा में. Okay, but we need to understand मुद्दा क्या था and experiment क्या हुआ, right? So, we start here. A mysterious illness has killed billions of sea stars in the past decade. Some illness, mysterious. After a 4-year search, scientists have uncovered the culprit, Vibrio pectinicida. ये बैक्टीरिया का नाम है. Okay. Team reported its findings this week in this. Okay. Now, the strange illness is known as sea star wasting disease. What does it do? Causes blah, 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 blah. Yeah. So, the effect of that disease is given in this para. Disintegrate to death. And it is the largest kisco. Causes starfish. It is the largest marine epidemic, bimari. Something, and then this para is talking about that. You don't need to go and read each and every word and the data and 20 species or whatever, the 90% ya jo bhi. Researchers are unsure of where this bacterium came from and why it broke out. They were unable to do it. There's a question there. But there is evidence that warmer ocean temperatures are linked to bigger outbreaks. Warmer. Oh, connecting it to global warming. Warmer ocean temperatures. Bigger outbreaks इसलिए हो रहा है. In British Columbia, severe, okay, province, all right. इसी को explain किया है. How are they connected to warmer ocean temperatures? Done. उतना नहीं पढ़ रहे. Sea stars, sunflower stars are really important members of their communities. One particular type. When the sunflower sea stars lost about 90% of their population, huge increases, okay. Oh, I can see what he's saying. When they lost about 90% of their population, there were huge increases in sea urchins. तो वो उसको खाते होंगे पहले. तो since these are not there, increase in sea urchins. Urchin, as the name suggests, is something that is bad for the ecosystem. The spiny creatures are massive grazers of kelp forest, crucial members, okay, kelp forest stored, okay, but once sea urchin populations boomed, बढ़ गया widespread loss because they ate away everything probably. Grazers bola. So some connection between these sunflower stars and the sea urchins and something because of warmer temperatures that was mentioned in the previous para. Okay, to identify the disease, researchers did something. Now I'm really not going to read this big para because they are just trying to identify the disease. Whenever you come across an experiment or a research, some study, there are 3 points that you need to pay attention to. मतलब सोचना ये, why did they do it? What was the actual experiment and what did they find? This one can be skimmed, but this and this are very important. Why did they do the experiment and what did they find? So the purpose here was to identify the disease. Researchers ran more than itna. In one experiment, kya kiya? Okay, fine, ye, sea wasting, all right. So validate, okay, exposed, okay. Nahi padh rahi main. Then they come down to this and he says, exposed to this. The rest died from sea, providing the conclusive evidence. Okay, what was the conclusive evidence? Let's see. If you don't know what it is that's killing them, there's only so much you can do to try to save them. So there's a bunch of work that we can do now. Okay, here, this is the last para, I think. One next step is to determine if the pathogen is unique to the sunflower sea star. Tha bhi iska naam diya hua. Because there are still many other species affected by the disease. We need to find out if this is unique. Till now we thought it was unique. Many species, other species affected. Who wasn't involved in the study? Prentice and her colleagues hope to breed sea stars that are resistant to the pathogen so they can survive in the wild. Done. कोई बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें conclusive तो कुछ भी नहीं निकला. Okay. If you go back and see what is where, it's a disease, something they are discussing. Starfish could disintegrate, something data. They have been trying to find out where this bacterium came from and global warming and आपका warm temperature, possibly even climate change might affect the disease, उसने बोला है clearly. And then he comes down to this sea grazers, sea urchins wala point, kelp forest wala. There can be a question there, आएंगे. Disease ये experiment से related है and last में they are saying you can try to do to save them. We need to find out if they are unique. इतना ही है. Let's go over to the questions and see if we can handle them. क्या कहाँ है? What is where? We know this. So 90 seconds or so, that is all that is needed for this passage ka reading. Okay, most effective in reducing. All right, we can start with this. Frequency and severity of sea star wasting disease outbreaks. Okay. As suggested by the passage. Most effective, he is saying. Cool. Frequency and severity. So uske liye to reason pata hona chahiye na. What is it that's causing it? So frequency, outbreaks. ये तो यहाँ ये where this came from. There is evidence that warmer ocean temperatures, okay, bigger outbreaks. Look at this. So you have to control the temperature. Okay. Possibly even climate change might affect this disease. Temperature and possibly even climate change. Okay. Let's go to this. Increasing genetic research to identify and breed naturally resistant sea stars for repopulation. Out. This wasn't the reason. Implementing global measures to address ocean warming, given there, I'll keep it. Monitoring the density of sea urchins in kelp forests to restore ecological balance in affected areas. ये तो affected areas के बाद to restore the balance, ये तो बाद का है, next step. But how would you reduce the frequency and severity of outbreaks? Outbreak is आया, आना, start होना, right? How would you reduce that? This is like later. You are trying to restore the balance, so ये बाद की बात. Investing in early warning systems to detect rising concentrations of this in coastal. So this is eliminated. I'm left with this and this. Investing in early warning systems. Does the passage anywhere say that the outbreak was there because we detected these late? Warning nahi tha, pata nahi chala. It doesn't mention anywhere. To detect rising concentrations? No. This is correct. Vibrio bacteria, that's fine. But then early warning systems is zyada behtar. Outbreak, frequency and severity kaise hoga? The para says clearly that was responsible. Okay, so this should be your answer. Okay, next question. Which of the following best explains why the discovery of this role in the disease is considered significant? थोड़ा इसको ना एक बार बाद में आके देखते हैं, पहले और भी अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं. Previously unable, right. Which of the following is most likely a reason they were previously unable to identify the cause of this? So, the symptoms of the disease resemble those of multiple unrelated marine diseases. पहले तो ना, if you don't understand ये question पूछ क्या रहा है, you're going to get stuck. Researchers were previously unable. So, let's go back and see कहाँ पे बोला है. More than this, ये experiments किया इन्होंने, right? Wasting this, okay? To validate the finding, expose this. From the 20 sunflower stars, okay, only one survived. All right, exposed to this at varying doses. Only one survived. This sea star was exposed to the lowest dose of the bacteria tested. The rest died from sea star wasting disease, providing the conclusive evidence. And what was that evidence? If you don't know what it is that's killing them, why were they unable to discover or find out? So, okay, what's killing them? There's only so much you can do to try and save them. Bunch of work we can do now. What? Determine if the pathogen is unique to the sunflower sea star, because there are still many other species affected. So maybe they were trying to find it in only the sunflower sea star. Maybe they should look to some other species as well, because even those are getting affected, right? So यहाँ पे let's go back to the options and क्या बोला है ये? हाँ, the symptoms of the disease resemble those of multiple unrelated marine diseases. Resemble multiple unrelated. I don't think this is mentioned anywhere as a reason why they were not able to identify. So eliminate, because this is out of scope. Okay. The disease affects multiple species, making it harder to isolate. This is given there, at least we know this, है ना? And this is given in that part that they were not able to identify. Scientists lacked access to advanced genetic analysis tools prior to 2021 अगर आप जाके देखना भी चाहो यहाँ पे, so ये यहाँ researchers ran more than 20 experiments from this to this. But how do you know here that before this they did not have access to that, lacked access to this? The passage doesn't say it, so don't apply external knowledge. So I'm left with B and D. Vibrio pentanicida had previously been found in non-marine organisms. Even this is not given. So this is the only one that connects with the last bit of the passage. So why not? This can be your answer, and it's justified that researchers were previously unable because they were confused. They were thinking that this is unique to this particular thing, right? So it affects multiple species. You are trying to locate a single pathogen. Maybe you should expand your research thing and look at other species too. So ये हो सकता है. Yes, this should be the answer, and I think yes, good है वो. Now, weekend वाले के पहले let's do considered significant here. Why the discovery of Vibrio pentancida's role in the disease is considered significant? So discover किया गया and it was important, it was significant. ये यहाँ every single one, okay, fine. एक बार देखते हैं. They analyze this. There's so much Vibrio in these wasting sea stars, and there's really not much happening in these healthy sea stars in terms of Vibrio. Okay. So why was it significant? It provides proof that bacterial infections are more deadly to marine life than viral ones. Looks like a faulty comparison to me. Dan, रखते हैं red flag मार के इसको. Okay. Then it allows for better tracking of bacterial mutations across marine ecosystems. Better tracking, अच्छा दिख रहा है ये. I'll keep it. It opens the door to targeted interventions that could help restore sea star populations. I'll keep this. It confirms the long-standing suspicion that pollution was the root cause. Absolutely out of scope. So we are left with B and C. Right? Now go back to the question stem. Why discovery of this is considered significant? What is the difference between these two options? Allows for better tracking of mutations across marine ecosystems. Okay. Opens the door to targeted interventions, control, targeted, that could help restore. Okay. Uncovered this culprit. Fine. Strange illness. Ever been this? Researchers are unsure. और वो then यहाँ पे तो वो climate warming वाला दे रखा है. Correct. And here he says in the second para, it is the largest marine epidemic among this that has ever been documented, and it has affected more than this. Approximately 90% have died from the ailment, so many that they are now critically this. So ये जो मिला है, this is affecting this. So if you have discovered this, you can probably target this, you can control this, control the spread of this particular thing in order to save these, right, sunflower sea stars. And then यहाँ पे sunflower sea stars का like he gives the kelp forests and all वाला, that is another thing. फिर यहाँ नीचे आकर के he says, comparing this, there's so much Vibrio in these wasting sea stars जो बर्बाद हो रहे हैं, and there's really not much happening in these healthy ones. After toggling the data, there is V. pentanicida in every single one of the wasting. It is there. So you can control it. You can save their population. To validate the finding, exposed healthy ones, okay, lowest dose, तो उनको confirm पता चला कि हाँ, this is there. This is the reason. This is spreading. If you don't know what is killing them, try to save them. So you have discovered that it is because of that V. pentanicida या जो भी है. So you can probably intervene and you can save the populations that are going extinct. So allows for better tracking of bacterial mutations across this. I don't think this is given. Out of scope. And this should be your answer. It gives you the hope to intervene and restore. Maybe, I mean, if you can know and if you can control, it's because of this, right? So C hai iska. Then the last one, okay. In an experiment, what did they do? Researchers exposed healthy ones to various doses of this. Okay. 19 out of 20 stars died. Healthy the, phir bhi they died. And only one exposed to the lowest dose survived. The researchers concluded that this is the primary cause of the disease. You have to simply weaken and say, no, that is not the cause. They died because of something else. Right? So, the one sea star that survived the exposure was genetically different from the others and showed signs of innate bacterial resistance. Okay. It was genetically different and showed signs of this resistance. So this to supports it, na? This supports it and says कि हाँ bacterial resistance उसमें था, so it survived. The others did not have resistance, and this Vibrio pentanicida was the bacterium that was found. तो इसकी वजह से वो मरे. So this supports the claim, right? You have to weaken it. You have to say no, bacteria की वजह से नहीं था. Okay. Then V. pentanicida is commonly found in the marine environment and is known to interact with other microorganisms. Okay. It is commonly found. It interacts with other microorganisms, but this does not weaken the claim. I mean, ये है, still it could be affecting. यहाँ यही तो claim है ना. This is the primary cause. So this could be affecting. This does not weaken and say, no, no, this is not the primary cause, because they are interacting with other microorganisms. Interact कर रहे हैं तो क्या हुआ? Arun is able to interact with other people. He has many friends. So he cannot be the killer. ऐसा थोड़ी है. He's interacting, still he can be the killer. So interact with this doesn't weaken it. It can still be the primary cause. C and D are left. C stars exposed to a different bacterium in an earlier experiment also exhibited similar symptoms. So C stars यहाँ पे जो थे, earlier they were exposed to a different bacterium and उनका similar symptoms था. So why are you blaming V. pentanicida? I mean, it could be because of any other bacterium. It could be because different bacterium है, so it was because of bacterium, but probably some other bacterium. यहाँ आप कह रहे हो 19 out of this died, okay, various doses of this, and then you're claiming that okay, this is what is the primary cause. नहीं, earlier we expose them to some other bacterium, उस पे भी ये सब मर गए थे. So probably that other bacterium is there in the sea waters, and that is leading to these outbreaks, and that is leading to these populations becoming extinct. ये भी तो हो सकता है. So this is weakening it. So you can weaken it in two ways. By saying that this is not the reason. Something else is the reason. That is what we did. And you can weaken it in another way by saying that these V. pentanicida is the cause of the disease. So you can weaken it by saying is sunflowers, they are immune to these effects. Yeah, they are immune to bacteria. तो weaken हो जाता. But then यहाँ पे we are doing the first thing. We are saying किसी और वजह से मर रहे हैं. जरूरी नहीं कि इसी की वजह से. ये पेंटानिसिडा की वजह से. So in earlier experiment, similar symptoms, maybe that bacterium is responsible. So ये weaken कर रहा है. Some infected sea stars recovered naturally in the wild without any human intervention or treatment. The claim is not saying that they recovered, human intervention था, नहीं था. No, we are talking about a bacterium being responsible, being the primary cause. You are saying it, यहाँ पे C में you are saying maybe primary cause क्यों बोल रहे हो, main criminal क्यों बोल रहे हो तुम, right? So this is the only one that weakens it. We are done with all four, I guess. Okay, this was good, justified, given there. Considered significant. It was between B and C. This was an inference, door to targeted interventions based on whatever we found. This was an inference. इसका आपका आंसर था, this is given there very clearly. The last para बोला है ना, previously unable to identify, तो ये भी justified था भाई. And this number 4 was also a good question. So we are done with all four. I hope you have understood the elimination process for all these. Done. चलो फिर मिलेंगे. आप तैयारी करते रहो. Thank you.